Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin in your Luno wallet. First, you will need to download the Luno application onto your smartphone or access their platform online. Next, create your personal account using a valid email address and a secure password. It is crucial to complete the identity verification steps, which typically involve submitting a few documents. Finally, link your bank account or another suitable payment method to prepare for funding your wallet. Now that your account is set up, it is time to fund your Luno wallet. Head over to the Wallet section in the app and select your local currency wallet. Choose the deposit option and then input the specific amount you wish to add. Be sure to check for any minimum deposit requirements, which are often around 10 units of your local currency. Carefully follow the clear on-screen instructions to finalize your bank transfer or chosen payment method. With funds successfully deposited into your Luno wallet, you are ready to buy Bitcoin. Navigate to the Explore tab within the application. From there, select the Buy option and then choose Bitcoin from the available cryptocurrencies. Enter the exact amount of local currency you wish to use for your Bitcoin purchase. Before finalizing, carefully review all transaction details, including any small fees, and then confirm your order to complete the purchase. Congratulations! Your newly purchased Bitcoin will now instantly appear in your dedicated Bitcoin wallet within the Luno application. You can easily view your current Bitcoin balance and a detailed transaction history by returning to the Wallets section. For an extra layer of protection, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication on your account. Remember, Luno typically charges a small transaction fee for purchases, usually less than 1% of the total amount, ensuring transparency in your transactions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.